Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. I am back with a mystery box unboxing from one of my favorite Etsy shops, Whimsy Barn Vintage, and I have purchased numerous of these mystery boxes from Sandy. I've also bought some of her ephemera packs in the past. So if you missed any of those unboxings and you want to get a feel of what these boxes come with, it's a wonderful experience and I truly recommend it if you are a big fan of decorating with vintage items and also crafting with vintage items. So she has the ephemera packs as an option, and journaling. So let's open it up. This was a mini vintage box. I did message her and kind of clued her in. I don't know if she got the message, but I did say I was leaning towards shabby chic style. I didn't see it in the selection when the drop down that she had in her store, but I'll put a picture here of some of the options that she offers that you can choose, and basically she curates it to what you've requested. Let's have a look and see how many items we get in this box. I'm going to open it up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's open this and have a look. Look at this. She has updated her cards. It's been a while since I've purchased. In the past she has a flyer. Now she has this gorgeous postcard and it says, "Can you keep a secret? We hope not. Make sure to snap, tag, and share on social media." I love that. I'm definitely going to do that. And on the back, here is a little look at what she offers. It's so cool. I love this. And she's also given me a little sticker. So she wraps these really well, and she did mark it fragile. So let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, already. Let me just lift this up and show you our little first impression look of what is in the box, and I love it already. Oh my gosh, do you see this cute little vintage bunny mold? And there's a cute little froggy. So I'm going to pull the box aside and let's start digging and seeing what Sandy's included. I quickly looked back at my Etsy account to see which theme I picked from the drop down, and I picked Cottage core. So here are some cute items. I love these vintage little candy or cookie molds. There's a little frog and a bunny, and look at this beautiful embroidered piece. Let's open it up. Look at that. Isn't that so precious? I am currently doing a swap and sew and doing some slow stitching projects, so this is so awesome. Look at those lavender colors, and that flower is so beautiful. Let's have a look and see what else is in this box. I love it already, and that's only the first two items. Wow, there is a lot, and this is a mini. Oh my gosh, it's completely customized, and this is to Clarissa from Whimsy Barn, and I love that she tries not to use too much plastic. So let me take this off and we'll show you what's in here. And part of the fun is unraveling this wrapping paper, so I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera. Excuse a little bit of the noise. Oh, wow, what is this? Oh my goodness! Look at this, guys. It is a cute little saucer. Beautiful royal crown, and it says Germany. How pretty is that? And let's see, is this a little cup? Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a mini cup. That is so adorable. I'm definitely going to add that to my teacup collection. Here is our next item. Oh my gosh. Here. This is also fragile. Oh wow, hold on. Oh wow, that is so pretty. I love these. These are so cute. Look at that. You have a little handle. It's a little serving plate. That is really cute. Perfect for tea time. I love it. I love the details on that. And there is this bag. Let's see what's in here. Definitely can reuse some of the packaging for junk journaling. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my. Here is what's in there. What a beautiful piece. It looks like it's been, it's like an assemblage of different things, because I can see that this was part possibly of something else. And I know that Sandy does some assemblage projects, and I think this is so fun. This would be perfect also to put as a little, she's made it into an ornament, but I see myself probably using it on a cover of kind of a vintage themed doll junk journal. So that is really cool. We'll put her aside, and let's see what else is in here. It looks like we have one more item, and looks like another fragile piece, so let's open it up. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this beautiful plate. I love the gold, the scallop edges, and that rose. Let's have a look and see where is it from? This is American Limoges. So France has their own version, but this is made in USA. And it says 22 karat gold, warranted Le Fleur Rouge. Wow, that is really beautiful. Beautiful plate. I hope you guys enjoyed this vintage mystery box unboxing from Whimsy Barn on Etsy. I'll put her link down below. I really enjoyed this. Hopefully I'll see if she has any more of those ephemera packs, and maybe next time I'll order one and we'll make some fun junk journal projects with them. Again, thank you for watching Caramia's Corner. Have a wonderful weekend. See you again next time. Hold on.